In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply themes and background styles in PowerPoint 2007 step by step, so you can quickly give your presentation a polished professional look. If you're working on a school project, a business deck, or any kind of slide presentation, learning how to use themes properly can save you a ton of time and instantly improve the way your slides look. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint 2007 presentation. Once your file is open, look at the top of the window and click the Design tab. This is where all of the main appearance settings for your slides are located. On the Design tab, you'll see the Themes group. This section contains a variety of pre-designed styles that can change the overall look of your presentation with just one click. To apply a theme, simply browse through the available theme thumbnails and click on the one you like. As soon as you click it, PowerPoint will automatically apply that theme to your presentation. What's great about this is that the theme applies to all of your slides at once, which keeps everything consistent and saves you from formatting each slide individually. So if you want a clean modern style, a more colorful design, or a professional corporate look, you can choose a theme that matches your content. After applying a theme, you may want to customize it a little more. That's where theme colors come in. Still on the Design tab, look for the Colors option. Click Colors and you'll see a list of different color schemes. Each color set changes the main colors used throughout the presentation, including text, shapes, backgrounds, and accents. Choose a color set that fits your topic and style, then click it to apply it. If you want to go a step further, you can also change the theme fonts. Click Fonts and PowerPoint will show you different font combinations. These font sets control the text style used across your slides, so changing them can make your presentation look more formal, more creative, or easier to read. Select the font style you want, and PowerPoint will update the presentation automatically. Next, if you want to add a different visual feel to your slides, click Effects. This option lets you apply various visual effects to shapes and design elements within the theme. These effects can subtly change the appearance of icons, charts, and other objects to match the overall style of your presentation. Again, just click the effect set you want, and it will be applied instantly. If you want to experiment, you can try different combinations of themes, colors, fonts, and effects until you find the perfect look. The great thing about PowerPoint 2007 is that you can preview styles quickly and make changes without starting from scratch. If at any point you don't like the way a theme looks, simply choose another one until your slides feel right. So to recap, applying a theme in PowerPoint 2007 is as easy as opening your presentation, going to the Design tab, and selecting a theme from the Themes group. Then, if needed, you can fine-tune the look by changing the theme colors, fonts, and effects. This gives you full control over the appearance of your presentation while keeping the process simple and fast. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.